Wonder what shenanigans my dad's up to today. Oh, Jose, what are you doing?
Oh, excuse me, senora. What happened? Oh, who are you looking for? I'm just working right here. What you need? What you need, senora?
Need to know where my father is.
Oh, Senor Jefe. Oh, he's over there.
Ah, okay.
Just look around.
Hi y'all, Jeff here from Jeff's Cars, and as you see, I'm sitting here next to my 300 SL Mercedes. Now, this thing's gone from a hard start to a no start. As you saw, it was in the other garage carport. Last weekend, we pushed it over into here. Let me give you a recap. I changed the plugs, wires, cap, rotor, camshaft position sensor, the crankshaft position sensor, the coil voltage regulator, and put some temperature resistance on the last video on the ignition module. And guess what? Still no start.
Senor. Oh, hold on. Oh, you forgot to put gasolina.
Oh yes. So guess what, folks? It takes gasoline to make this car run. The fuel gauge in this car is malfunctioning. When it showed a half a tank, guess what? No gasoline.